Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're gonna take a look at DUBSADO and HoneyBook to see which one is better. I have here a list with the pros and cons, so we're gonna take a look at each one of them. The first one is DUBSADO, which is best for custom workflows and automation for service-based businesses. They offer deep customization, client portal, tribe tracking, and task management. The downside, steeper learning curve and more setup time. Great if you need flexibility and run complex services. Then we have HoneyBook, best for creatives and freelancers who want an easy all-in-one client flow tool. They offer proposals, contract, invoices, scheduling, sleek interface, and quick to set up. The downside, less customization than DUBSADO. Great if you want simplicity and speed with a polished UI. So basically these are the pros and cons. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.